Hello and welcome to Study English for Written Communication. I'm Sajivani Vanderkoon. Topic 10. Collaborative Writing. Let's talk about the learning outcomes. Work with other writers on an assignment. Gather information from various sources. Analyze data collected, evaluate the group members' various interpretations, and synthesize the ideas of the group. Introduction. According to Collins Dictionary 2012, collaboration means to work with another or other than one on a joint project. Stages in collaborative writing. According to Margaret Fleming in 1988, there are 3 stages of collaborative writing. Stage 1, invention stage. Stage 2, drafting. Stage 3, revision. The invention stage, learners are engaged in preliminary discussion of ideas and approaches using the following strategies such as note sharing and preliminary debating. For further information, please go to page 150. The drafting stage. There are 3 models in the drafting stage, namely chunk model, blended model, and compiler model. Let's talk about the chunk model. In the chunk model, merely divides the writing of a project into sections which students writing one part. The advantages of this model is that everyone participates, but the danger is that may result in an incoherent paper. To avoid this pitfall, all group members should be aware of the parts of sections to be written, such as its introduction, conclusion, and transition. Let's talk about the blended model. When it comes to blended model, only work if learners have enough time to work together. They have to present in the same place at the same time and discuss every aspect of the paper. The last one is compiler model. In the compiler model, each group member does the whole assignment. Each member's work is then assessed by the whole group, and the best parts will be selected to create the final draft. The revision stage. Number 1, the group members can revise one another's draft. Number 2, the best writer of other groups can become the chief editor of the draft. Number 3, other group members can give comments or suggestions. Let's talk about team communication. Characteristic of effective team communication. Team members listen to each other. The team leaders listen to all group members. Every group member feels free to speak only and honestly. Individual members seek the approach of the team member. Action is taken. Information is shared willingly, not hoarded. Members of the team are not hesitant about bringing up bad news or problems. In addition to communication well among themselves, team members, both individually and collectively, communicate well with other groups. Team management. Other aspects that need to be considered, such as team building and task analysis. Let's talk about the team building and task analysis. Every member needs to be given the chance to speak. Respect must be shown for each person's ideas or opinions. Mere creative energy as well as better quality product will emerge as a result of teamwork. 2 groups must analyze this task to be done so that each member has the same interpretation. Management of time, writing and documents. Good management of time, writing and document is essential in collaborative writing. When the group members have identified the work that is to be done, they must make decisions regarding the following: group versus individual work, equivalency of tasks, best use of individual skills. Please read page 154 and 55 for further information. Managing collaborative writing projects. Writing in group presents a unique challenge. Individuals have different interests, backgrounds, and attitudes towards writing. Necessary process for the management effective team writing, team building, analysis of the task, management of writing, management of time, management of document stages, management of style and format, conflict management. Practice in writing step-by-step instructions. Writing instructions given to group must be clear and precise. Members have to know them well before they begin a project. In group should consider the following: what style guide will be used, which spelling conventions, what size should the font size, margins and headings be. Will abbreviations be allowed, and if so, which ones? Which technical terms will be used and which are necessary to define? Will process be explained in point form or paragraph form? Please go to page 156 and 57 for further information. Conflict management. Conflict of personalities, ideas, or opinions may arise when writing in groups. Groups need to be faced these conflicts with patience and understanding and respond to them directly. Collaborative writing practices and related matters to consider. Students need to practice working in groups and they need to be told the rules governing an assignment. Purpose of the manual, amount of detail, headings, format, inclusion of diagram, level of language, user-friendliness, other appropriate consideration, guidelines for preparation a manual, which is on page 59 and 60. I hope you enjoy this session. Thank you so much.